everyone, Luke here at the Joint Replacement Therapist, showing you how to get the most out of your lateral band walk exercise. So lateral band walks are a great exercise for strengthening the muscles of your hips, especially your gluteus muscles and the muscles that help provide stability and good alignment with your hips when doing functional activities. For lateral band walks, you're going to need a theraband loop to put around your legs below the knees. The farther down you go with the loop, the more resistance it's going to provide you, and the higher up you go, the less resistance it will give you. The lighter the color, the lighter the resistance. The darker the color, the heavier the resistance. So what you're going to do with the loop around your legs, then you're going to do a nice hip hinge, so keeping a nice neutral back, bringing the hips backwards, so you're in this hip hinge position, and then a little bend of the knees as well. Think of it as a good athletic position is what I like to tell people. So feet about shoulder width apart, nice hip hinge, athletic position, knees bent, hips bent, and then what you're going to do is you're going to step to the side and then bring the other foot forward, or back to the other side. Side and back. What you want to do is make sure you keep tension in the band throughout the whole movement, so it shouldn't be like this and let the leg fall in. The legs should never be hitting each other. There should be a nice tension in the band throughout the whole time. Keeping yourself nice in that good athletic position. Don't want to be tilting at the trunk at all. That's kind of a way of cheating and compensating. So keeping everything nice and straight and just getting the motion straight from the legs. Alright, so that's the best ways to help maximize your lateral band walk exercise and get the most out of it and the most strengthening you can. Thank you very much.